Hello, I'm Sharon. Welcome to Global Action Plan's Power of Growing Your Own video series. Today we are demonstrating the home gardening packs. So here are gardening packs which are suitable for adults. Firstly, we'll have a look at what we have in the pack. So we have a bag of compost, window box, then you should have a bag like this, and in this bag you'll have some instruction leaflets how to plant up in the window box. You'll have an information leaflet for GAP Global Action Plan if you would like to contact us with any further questions. You'll have a pack of wildflower seeds, a pack of salad leaves seeds, and some spring onion seeds. You'll also have some labels so you can label each thing you sow. Okay, so we're going to start. We're going to fill the window box with some compost. Now if you want to put gloves on you can, but this is nice and clean, so I'm happy enough to work away without them. Little tap. We're only going to fill to this line here, if you can see that, because we need some room for water and plants to grow. So I think that's good. Now, so it's totally up to you how you want to do this. You can do half spring onions or half salad leaves, or you can mix them together, or you can do one and then grow another one afterwards. It's your choice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sow some onion seeds in the back, and then I'm going to sow some salad leaf seeds in the front. So when you open up your seed packs, it looks like there's very little in there, but in actual fact there's a fair few seeds. So for the salad leaves there's about 150 seeds in there, so you won't have to plant them all at once. So for your spring onion seeds, just sow in a line along the back of the window box. You might have to thin them out as they grow because there might be a few extra. So leave them there for a second. Now, like I said, there's extra seeds in here, so you don't have to sow them all at once. So take a few seeds and we're going to broadcast these seeds over the rest of the compost. So you sprinkle away. And as you can see, they're tiny little seeds, so we only need a small covering of compost on the top. So just sprinkle a little bit on the top. And then you can water this and leave it on your windowsill till it grows. You might want to put in a couple of labels so you know exactly what's in what side. So you have your onions here and your salad leaves here. Thank you for watching these videos. I hope we've helped with your gardening journey. If you have any questions or you need any other support, you can contact us on the Global Action Plan website or Facebook page.